Pelicans, renowned for their elegance and unique feeding behavior, stand as a fascinating example of nature's diversity. These large aquatic birds, found globally, boast distinct characteristics that capture the attention of bird enthusiasts and environmentalists alike. With their elongated bills, expansive wingspans, and distinctive pouches, pelicans have evolved for exceptional aquatic prowess. Their synchronized group fishing displays are a sight to behold, as they plunge into the water to capture prey in their expandable pouches. Furthermore, these birds symbolize conservation success, rebounding from past threats through concerted efforts. Pelicans, with their remarkable physical adaptations and resilient population recovery, continue to exemplify the wonders of the avian world and remind us of the vital importance of preserving diverse ecosystems.